Coming up, Dave and the crew show how to keep older semis looking great. Plus, they check out some high-performance manifolds, custom floor mats, and a Jeep Invasion to remember. Next on Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by Top Coat. You know, if you wanted to add turbo power to your vehicle, about 10 years ago, that meant a lot of money and a lot of time, and it's not that complicated anymore, thanks to Joey and you guys at Fahler Speed and Performance. You brought some stuff for show and tell. Show us what you've done for turbos.
Right, so our primary product that we have here today is our one-piece cast stainless steel turbo header. And so what this allows us to do is remove the original factory exhaust manifold and bolt on in place a manifold that allows you to join your left bank and also add a turbocharger very simply and easy in your own garage.
Something that is usually complicated when installing a turbo is where do you put the wastegate? There's not a lot of space under the hood.
Right, and it's very vehicle specific, but what we've done here is added two provisions here and as well in the front, two cast bosses that are easily drilled and then welded right here on the casting, no special materials required. Anybody could do in their own garage with a welder, or you could also add that as an option at the time of your order and we'll do it right for you and save you the time.
Now, materials are really important, and this thing is exceptionally beefy. Tell me about the construction.
Right, so this is a one-piece cast stainless steel manifold. It's about 3/16 thick at a minimum all around the part. And what this allows us to do is have a really beefy manifold that can support the heat, vibration, and the weight of this large turbocharger. This one that's here today is framed for T4 turbos, so you're generally talking 25 to 35 pounds depending on the size and options that you choose. And so what we've done is really create something that's going to last years without much effort.
And the thickness of that, of course, is important for the durability as well, because you have the expansion and contraction the entire time.
Absolutely right. So, I mean, we're talking extreme temperatures well over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit during a high pass, say at the drag strip or even on the highway. And so what we've wanted to do is just make sure that that is going to hold up for you over time and really be good dollar, value for you when you purchase through us.
Now, who chiefly is using your manifolds?
Right, so we have customers all over the United States and even some internationally, Canada included. And it's customers, DIY guys in their garage, all the way to guys running, competitive racing in all kinds of different classes.
And we're talking strictly LS motors?
Yeah, so Gen 3 and Gen 4 right now, which is available in like 99 through 2014. And with a couple simple modifications, a mild camshaft and fuel injectors, it's not unheard of to easily hit 500-600 horsepower.
Well, it's great looking. We know it's reliable. And if you're looking for reliable power, low cost, and something simple to install, check them out at FahlerSP.com. Well, I got to tell you, I've driven a lot of different vehicles on Motorhead Garage. This is a first behind the wheel of a big rig, and it's not just any big rig, it is a famous custom big rig. And you get a chance to check it out here on Motorhead Garage, presented by Top Coat, coming up right after this.